Hello, I'm Kylie Gillies, and today I'm really excited to be taking you behind the scenes of Parramatta BMW to show you where all the magic happens. This is where passion, precision, and a whole lot of hard work comes together to take care of every single BMW that drives through the door. So let's dive in. First off, let me tell you, this place is huge. It's built to handle a lot. I'm talking about 80 plus vehicles getting serviced here each and every day. But size isn't everything. It's all about the people, and that's what makes this workshop so special. Speaking of special, here's someone special. Hello, Maroun.
Hi, Kylie.
Nice to see you.
I'm excited to show you around.
Where are we? What's this?
Well, this is our customer service lounge. So I'm going to take you across the road and show you what happens behind the scenes in the workshop.
In the workshop, sounds good. Lead the way.
This way.
I've also spied free coffee. Everyone
Just
gets one of
over here.
those. Okay, sounds good. So Maroun, this is the workshop. It is huge. It is very impressive. I can see 32 bays. That's a lot of cars you can work on in a day.
Absolutely, Kylie. It's obviously our number one priority is safety and ensuring our staff get looked after and when they're working on these beautiful BMWs, and having the right equipment helps. And also the training. These guys are qualified, as you can see behind me here.
Yeah, this is an EV that's being worked on.
Yeah, correct. This is an EV car. So we've got Rodney behind us, who's one of a few that are qualified and have the qualifications to be able to work on a car in this state. Having a battery cell out of the car, it is live. So what he's doing behind me now is replacing a small cell module that's known as to be defective. So
this is like open heart surgery that's being performed.
correct. This is very similar to open heart surgery if you were to compare it.
These are the surgeons of the car world.
Correct, yeah,
so it's all about, obviously you've got top-notch equipment, but you've got the expertise to back it up.
And so Rodney's behind me. He's got more than 20 years working on BMW. So he's a master technician and he's certified.
So Maroun, anyone who's hit a pothole with a bit of force or, I don't know, hit the curb and gutter, I mean, I've never done that, but just pretend this machine is their friend.
Absolutely. We want to be a one-stop shop to all our customers. So this machine behind me is our latest and greatest wheel alignment machine. It is very precise, it's camera-based, and it is designed around the BMW brand. So it helps us get the wheel alignment in the spec and make sure it's driving as it was from factory.
And will it help me park better?
No, it won't help you park better, but it makes sure that your wheels and tyres are going to get the optimum wear out of them, and it makes sure that obviously you're going to be going down the freeway, driving down safely in a straight line. So
safely and smoothly.
It's going to help.
Now, Maroun, I know you're terrific with the cars, but I love what you've done with the interior design here. These trophies represent a lot of the experience that your team has.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, yeah, this is just something that we sort of just started out of nowhere, and anyone who got an anniversary, we sort of started putting them outside my office, and I'm really proud of it. They are. We've got guys that have been here for 35 years, 30 years. These guys are still on the floor. They're still productive. They're still efficient.
I'm so experienced.
Very, very experienced. We've got our quality controller who's been here for 35 years, so he oversees the whole aspect of a car coming in and going out, and ensuring our customers get the best quality.
And yet bringing the talent through as well, because you have a terrific apprenticeship program.
Absolutely, yeah. So we've got first, second, third, and fourth year apprentices working in our workshop. BMW have a program where they educate them on what it takes to become a BMW technician, and after their qualification they become a registered BMW technician and are known worldwide. So it's quite an achievement to achieve something like that, and I'm very proud of it, and this is why we have all the trophies here, to use it as a motivation tool for everyone else.
I must point out though, Tony Garif, a 35-year trophy, but Tony, do you have a Logie? I don't think so. No. That's okay, Tony. Neither do I. Maroun, let's go inside now, because this is now the nerve centre. The engine room. Well said. Engine room. Here we go. So, Maroun, these are the people who make sure that this place doesn't miss a beat, right?
Yes, that's right, Kylie. So this is our engine room. This is where all the magic happens. behind me here, I've got our workshop controller. So he distributes the jobs and makes sure that the right technician's getting the right job to ensure that we've got a smooth transaction when the customer comes in from start to finish.
So important, right?
It is very important. We've also got our parts department that's attached to our office as well, which we communicate with on the items that we need for the services, repairs, diagnostics. It could be anything from as simple as a wiper arm or a major engine rebuild that we do here as well.
So it's the spare parts department?
That is our spare parts department.
Can I tell you, I have a soft spot for the spare parts department because my dad worked in spare parts his entire career. And so I know, like he knew where to find that filter at a minute's notice.
So these guys, again, are qualified. They understand what parts we're looking for.
Yeah.
They make our life a lot easier in terms of when we need a quote done for a customer's car.
Exactly what my dad would have said. Hey, Roy, how are we going on that X5? All good.
Good one, Roy.
So this area I think most people will love. This is the fast lane check-in, and this is for regular servicing, and you can be in and out.
Absolutely. So our level 1 area is dedicated for our fast lane customers. Right behind me here is a dedicated fast lane parking, so you don't have to look for parking. We've got a fast lane counter where Michael's going to greet you. So we promise our customers a 90-minute turnaround with the service and a wash and vacuum included as well.
Wash and vacuum, that's terrific. So they can go and have a coffee across the road, maybe duck to Westfield.
Westfields, yeah. They can wait across the road in our dealership.
And guaranteed, hour and a half.
Guaranteed. That's our promise to our customers within 90 minutes, and they can pick up and drop off from the same location.
Too easy. Well, there you have it. Whether it's the size of the workshop or the absolute dedication of the team, it's clear that Parramatta BMW has the precision and the passion to take the absolute best care of every single BMW that comes through the door.
It's been great showing you around, Kylie. For anyone watching, whether you've got a minor service or more complex work, you know where to come. Parramatta BMW's got you covered.
Oh, sounds terrific. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.